Welcome to the Science Museum. Hi, I'm Alexandra. Now everyone loves bubbles, right? Let's take a closer look at some bubble science.
Sam and Alexandra demonstrate a variety of fun experiments in Wonderlab at the Science Museum. Title: Bubble Science.
Here's Sam with some bubble mix. His mix is made from 3 ingredients: dish soap, water and glycerol. He also has different shaped wands to help us understand a bit of bubble science. Let's start with the circle wand.
He waves the circle wand, creating a sphere-shaped bubble.
Pretty impressive, but what's actually happening? The outside of a bubble is actually made of 3 very thin layers: soap, water, and then another layer of soap. And it's this sandwich that makes up our super large bubbles. Now let's try with a different shaped wand. With the circle wand, Sam made sphere-shaped bubbles. But now that he has a square-shaped wand, do you think he'll get bubble cubes? Let's take a look.
He waves the square wand and a sphere-shaped bubble forms.
Ooh, that's interesting. Do that again, Sam. Huh. Did you see the shape? His bubbles were spheres too. But the air around us is not the only gas that we can trap inside bubbles. Sam has some balloon gas, which is a really light gas. And if he fills his bubbles up with it, they should float. Let's take a look. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Look at them go. Now the reason they float is because balloon gas is less dense than the air around it. And that means it's much, much lighter. Thanks, Sam. That was pretty impressive. Why not try experimenting at home and doing your very own bubble science?
Science Museum Group.